Welcome back to the IML Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss the history of Forex. Many people are curious as to how the foreign exchange market exists. To better understand, we're going to have to peer back through time to the first ever trade system called the bartering system. The bartering system existed in a time where there was no money system, and people traded goods and services such as livestock, skills, talents, salt, and even people for the goods and services they needed from others. Eventually, the bartering system was abandoned for the commodity system, where people began to trade units of commodity such as shells, rice, barley, stones, and even bits of gold as they were deemed more valuable as civilization progressed. Then came along the first money system that came in the form of coins called the coinage. These coins were made out of electrum, which were a mixture of gold and silver and pre-weighed. This allowed people to trade what they want for what they need. This system had large impacts all around the world, and many different countries began to quickly adopt the coinage system, which gave way for people to participate in foreign trades. The Chinese then came along with the invention of paper money, which were IOU notes from the private institutions, aka banks, in exchange for holding their gold and silver. This gave way to the gold standard, where all currencies were to be backed by gold. However, due to mass printing of paper notes not being backed by actual gold, countries decided to come together to create the first monetary trading system that would be advantageous to all countries involved by keeping exchange rates fixed in foreign trades. Due to the rough nature of fixed currencies and unfair trades, 44 countries decided to come together after World War II devastated several European countries and created the bread and wood systems in 1944. That quickly ended in 1973. All the countries agreed to peg their currency to the US dollar, which led way to the dollar becoming the new global reserve currency. Countries began to float their currencies in 1994, and we saw the first online currency trading system introduced in Forex history. As modern civilization advanced, so did its mass adoption. The rest, as they say, is history. We hope you found this video insightful and informational, and now that you know how the foreign exchange market was created, let's focus on how to make money in it. We'll see you in the next video.